Hey everyone, welcome to this video where I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot JBL Tune Beam earbuds mono mode. So as you can see that currently I'm on reddit.com and this person is also asking the same question. So let's just find out some of the solutions that other peoples are actually giving you. So here you can see that this person is saying that it is not pairing with the right earbud and you need both for stereo. So you need to open the case for around 10 seconds while leaving them in the case. Then take the right one out and try pairing with it first. And the other person is saying that thank you, it worked. So you can also try the same thing and most probably you are also gonna fix this issue. The other person is asking, is the problem fixed? So this person is saying that hey, I solved the problem. I put them in the case and left the lid open so I can see we they turn on. So not in the app, go to the phone Bluetooth settings on devices. So go to the settings and then you need to turn off all the check boxes: HD audio, ACC, media audio, phone calls, contact and call history. Wait for 5 seconds. Both buds will automatically turn on. So with the help of this Reddit post, we found out two solutions of this problem. So you can just try any of these and then you can definitely fix this issue. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. If you still have any questions, you can let me know in the comments and I'm here to help you out with it. Thank you so much for watching.